Hi, thanks for checking in today. We're glad you're here. As we know, 5S is a systematic approach to workplace organization and standardization. But what are the benefits of implementing a 5S program, we've been asked? Well, let's take a couple minutes and talk about the tangible benefits we're going to see from the implementation of a 5S program. Let's start with enhanced safety. A clean and organized workplace is inherently safer. The shine step, which involves regular cleaning and maintenance, is not only going to prolong the life of the equipment, but it's also going to reduce the risk of accidents by having a clean workspace. The set in order step in the 5S is going to provide the organization we need to make sure that floors are clear, that workspaces are clear, reducing tripping hazards, reducing risks of accidents. A well-organized space is less prone to hazards and promotes a much safer work environment. A second benefit is going to be improved efficiencies. By organizing the workspaces and eliminating unnecessary items through the 5S methodology, we're going to be reducing the time spent searching for tools and materials. This is going to lead to improved efficiency, smoother workflow, which is all going to contribute to increased productivity. That increased productivity is going to allow us to produce more product within the same time frames. The next benefit is going to be quality improvements. Standardizing the processes is going to ensure that our best practices are consistently followed. This is going to contribute to higher quality outputs as deviations and errors are going to be minimized. Standardization is also going to aid in identifying and addressing root causes of the defects, leading to continuous improvement in both product and quality services. Another benefit is going to be employee morale and engagement. Involving employees throughout this 5S process, it's going to empower them to contribute to the more organized and efficient workspace. This engagement is going to boost their morale as employees see the direct impact of their efforts on the work environment. A well-maintained and organized workplace is generally more pleasant, contributing to a much more positive workplace culture. Another benefit is going to be cost savings. The 5S methodology is going to lead to cost savings in various ways, reducing waste, both material and motion, improved efficiencies, enhanced quality. They're all going to contribute to lower operational costs. Additionally, preventive maintenance practices that we're going to set in place through the shine step, it's going to help extend the lifespan of equipment. It's going to which is going to ultimately be reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Freeing up valuable floor space by decluttering and consolidating can also provide a foundation for additional company growth without adding that costly facility expansion into place. In conclusion, the 5S methodology is a powerful tool for any organization seeking to create a more organized, efficient, and sustainable workplace. By systematically implementing 5S, businesses can experience tangible benefits, including enhanced safety, improved efficiencies, higher quality outputs, and increased employee morale, ultimately reducing our internal operating costs. Remember, the 5S methodology is not just a one-time process. It's going to establish the foundation for continuous improvement and long-term success. Thanks for listening. I hope this provided a little bit of an insight. Until next time, be safe, be productive. Goodbye.